Axie Infintiy value equivalent to $10.336 a coin. The present exchanged cost range, $596.25 The earlier day close, $407. The change was 0.7107%. Opposite rate, US to Axie. Dollar to Axie Infintiy estimate for June 2024. To start with, cost at 0.81 coins. Exorbitant costs are 104, while lows are 81. They found the middle value of cost 191. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's end 0.97, change for June 19.8%. US to Ax expectation for July 2024. In the first place, cost at 0.97 coins. Exorbitant costs are 97, while lows earn 78. They found the middle value of cost earn 89. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's ends on 84, change for July 13.4%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy gauge for August 2024. First and foremost, cost at 0.84 coins. Exorbitant costs from 84, while lows earn 68. They found the middle value of cost 77. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's ends 73, change for August 13.1%. US to Ax expectation for September 2024. First and foremost, cost at 0.73 coins. Exorbitant costs earn 73, while lows earn 59. They found the middle value of cost 67. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's ends earn 63, change for September 13.7%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy estimate for October 2024. To start with, cost at 0.63 coins. Exorbitant costs are 67, while lows earn 58. They found the middle value of cost 63. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's end for 62, change for October 16%. US to Ax expectation for November 2024. Before all else, cost at 0.62 coins. Excessive costs are 64, while lows earn 56. They arrived at the midpoint of cost through 61. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's end 0.60, change for November 3.2%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy conjecture for December 2024. Before all else, cost at 0.60 coins. Exorbitant costs 64, while lows earn 56. They found the middle value of cost 60. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's end 0.59, change for December 17%. US to Ax expectation for January 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.59 coins. Exorbitant costs are 62, while lows earn 54. They found the middle value of cost 58. The US to Ax gauge toward the month's ends in 58, change for January 17%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy gauge for February 2025. Initially cost at 0.58 coins. Excessive costs earn 60, while lows earn 52. They arrived at the midpoint of costs earn 57. The US to Ax figure toward the month's end 0.56, change for February 3.4%. US to Ax expectation for Warp 2025. Initially cost at 0.56 coins. Excessive costs are 59, while lows earn 51. They arrived at the midpoint of costs through 55. The US to Ax figure toward the month's ends on 55, change for spring 18%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy figure for April 2025. Initially cost at 0.55 coins. Excessive costs earn 57, while lows earn 50. They found the middle value of cost 54. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's ends in 53, change for April 3.6%. US to Ax expectation for May 2025. To start with, cost at 0.53 coins. Exorbitant costs are 56, while lows earn 48. They found the middle value of cost 52. The US to Ax estimate toward the month's end 52, change for May 19%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy estimate for June 2025. To start with, cost at 0.52 coins. Exorbitant costs 0.52, while lows earn 42. They found the middle value of cost earn 48. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's end 0.45, change for June 13.5%. US to Ax expectation for July 2025. Before all else, cost at 0.45 coins. Excessive costs 0.46, while lows earn 40. They arrived at the midpoint of cost earn 44. The US to Ax conjecture toward the month's end 0.43, change for July 4.4%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy conjecture for August 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.43 coins. Exorbitant costs 55, while lows were 43. They found the middle value of cost 48. The OS to AX gauge toward the month's ends 51, change for August 18.6%. OS to AX expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 0.51 coins. Exorbitant costs are 66, while lows on 51. They found the middle value of cost 57. The OS to AX gauge toward the month's ends 61, change for September 19.6%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy figure for October 2025. Initially cost at 0.61 coins. Excessive costs earned 74, while lows earned 61. They arrived at the midpoint of costs 66. The OS to AX figure toward the month's ends 69, change for October 13.1%. OS to AX expectation for November 2025. Initially cost at 0.69 coins. Exorbitant costs earned 88, while lows earned 69. They found the middle value of cost 77. The OS to AX gauge toward the month's ends on 82, change for November 18.8%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy gauge for December 2025. At the outset cost at 0.82 coins. Excessive costs 82, while lows only 66. They arrived at the midpoint of cost on 75. The OS to AX figure toward the month's ends 70, change for December 14.6%. OS to AX expectation for January 2026. Initially cost at 0.70 coins. Excessive costs earned 70, while lows earned 57. They arrived at the midpoint of cost earned 65. The OS to AX estimate toward the month's ends is 61, change for January 12.9%. In the first place, cost at 0.52 coins. Exorbitant costs earned 52, while lows earned 42. They found the middle value of cost earned 48. The OS to AX gauge toward the month's end 0.45, change for spring 13.5%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy gauge for April 2026. In the first place, cost at 0.45 coins. Exorbitant costs earned 45, while lows earned 36. They found the middle value of cost 41. The OS to AX gauge toward the month's end zone 39, change for April 13.3%. As to AX expectation for May 2026. Before all else cost at 0.39 coins. Excessive costs 45, while lows in 39. They arrived at the midpoint of cost end of 41. The OS to AX conjecture toward the month's end 0.42, change for May 7.7%. Dollar to Axie Infintiy gauge for June 2026. To start with, cost at 0.42 coins. Exorbitant costs 244, while lows 138. They found the middle value of cost 0.41. The OS to AX gauge toward the month's ends end 41, change for June 2.4%. OS to AX expectation for July 2026.